Module 127, we will discuss professional standards for teachers in United Kingdom, UK. There are four states of United Kingdom like Northern Ireland, Wales, England, and Scotland. And when we talk about the Northern Ireland, the teacher training programs are approved by the Department of Education, and the General Teaching Council for Northern Ireland is the Accreditation Council. For example, if the program is offered by the teacher education program institutions, that is to be approved by the Department of Education of that state. For example, if we talk about the Northern Ireland, that the department, the government department will approve the program, and there is another body of the government that will give accreditation. That body is called as the General Teaching Council for Northern Ireland. And there is also another important institution that's called Education and Training Inspectorate that make the inspection of the courses, what kind of the courses are there, what kind of the programs are being offered. The inspect work is to inspect and monitor the things. And there are two university colleges, means faculties of education, in two universities that offer 4-year B.Ed program, and three universities offer 1-year postgraduate certificate in education. That is also required level of the course or the program for the teaching purposes in UK or the Northern Ireland. We talk about the Wales. There is a General Teaching Council of the Wales, like the other state has, Northern Ireland. And the graduate teaching programs, that's for the teachers. They call this graduate teaching programs. They have 3 regional initial training education, teacher education programs. The centers in the different places, and each center collaborates with 2 universities and partner schools. There is accreditation, there is a training or the accreditation procedures schools that deals with the universities for the award of the degrees, and on the other hand deals with the partner schools, that the teachers are where teachers are sent for the practices and etc. Common set of the policies and the procedures are there. And we talk about the Scotland. They have General Teaching Council of Scotland that gives the standards, minimum and the maximum standards. And in Scotland there are 8 universities with the partnership of 20 to 32 local authorities that are responsible for the teacher preparation, school education programs. Universities have their own admission procedures, and in the universities there are schools of education. You can say the Department of Education or the faculties of education. They provide different programs. For example, it's 1-year PGDE, postgraduate diploma in education, or the 4-year degree with QTS. Initial teacher education in England. There is the university schools of education that offer 1-year postgraduate programs. That's the faculties of education or the Department of Education. There is another initiative, that is school direct employment of the graduate, often in the teaching schools, and then the teach first. These are the initiatives of the teacher preparation, and the teach first means 2-year leadership development programs and 6-week university training plus an school support towards PGCE. When we talk about the roles in education in England, there is a Department of Education at the state level, and that is responsible for the primary and secondary education from class 1 to from the age of 5 to age of 16. It means 5 years to the 16 years of education, corresponding level of the education. And what kind of that department offers the degrees? QTS, qualified teacher status, and other is National College for Teaching and Leadership. These are the institutions responsible for the preparation of the teachers. And post 16, there is qualified teacher, teaching, learning and skills, and other is Society for Education and the Teaching. And the third organization based on the primary and secondary education, that is based from the 5 to 16, and that the post education, when after that there is office for the standards in the education, children service and the skills. And there is another organization, that's higher education, ITE, the partner schools and the research. And the third one is local education authorities. There are different types of schools in education in England. From the age of 5 to 16, there are free places at the schools of the state schools, the free education, to a free place at a school, a state schools, and the most state schools to follow the national curriculum. That is for the United Kingdom. In England, there is the national education system, and there are main two types. One is common, two types of these schools. One is common community schools controlled by the local council, means the local government, that is the union council, etc., like in Pakistan. And other is academies that are independent academies registered with the government, like the maybe of the government, local government, including faith schools, free schools, and the specialist schools. And there is a directional of the educational change in England. Now it is a change in England. For example, it was when it was state action, now it is decentralized. Decentralized in the way that is the local government system, council system, and the target and accountability was at the center. Now it is at the local accountability. Regulations as the best guarantors, now the autonomy is given there. Specific programs to tackle the issues, now the accountability and the incentives set to create improvement. There should be the accountability procedures for the creation of the improvement, identification of the best practices and the guidance. Now it is shifted to deregulation and reducing bureaucracy. Centralized planning, and that is the decentralized and developed by the system. Teacher standards in English in England. What is the professional standards for the teachers in England? Number one, high expectations which inspire and motivate students. Number two, good progress and outcomes by the students. Third, standards expected are the inculcated from the teacher in the teacher education preparation, that is demonstrate good subject and the curriculum knowledge, the plan and teach well structured lessons. And the fifth one is adopt teaching to respond to the strengths and the needs of all peoples. Teacher should be competent in the multidimensional way, make accurate and productive use of the assessment. If he is assessing, he and she is assessing, how the assessment can be used for the improvement of the learning, manage behavior of the students, and fulfill wider professional responsibility, because the teacher is not only supposed to teach in the class, he or she has to fulfill the other professional requirement. Teacher standards in England and the professional and the if we talk about the personal and the professional conduct, how the students are dealt with the dignity or not, safeguarding pupil well-being, tolerance and the respect, personal belief. The students are ensured that the students, regardless of the creed and the color, and there must be the insurance that they are not being exploited. The list of the professional standards as in the different states and the countries are given there. They have to follow the different procedures of the teachers professional standards and the assessment procedures of the teacher professional standards. And they have a well designed continuous professional teacher education system for the improvement of the knowledge, skills and the practices. And they gave on the basis of the continuous professional development programs, the teachers autonomy, the teachers respect, and the teachers professional practices are improved, and that definitely gave the improvement of the organization and the learners.